channel. So my last video I did a test with Exocaged RC in his backyard course with the Gen 8s, comparing the Treal Overdrive gears to stock with his Gen 8. I'll link that down below for you. While I was there, I did some other crawling on his backyard course and got some video of his elevated wood section that usually you don't see in his channel. So that's what this video is going to be. Hope you enjoy it, had fun. It's a little challenging, so let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Thanks.